We won several international awards for sustainability. When we talk about sustainability, we are perceived as the trendsetter in our industry in Europe. We have been winning several awards here in Slovenia as well outside of Slovenia. We are part of the Netherlands Fair Meter initiative. And for those of you who would like to know a little bit more about this initiative, they can visit our webpage or visit the webpage of fairsmartmeters.com, where you see the whole program in Netherlands. And I'm very proud of that we are in the European Group for best practice of circular economy. I think that's an achievement for a Slovene company and for us special.